Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Jeep Gladiator hardtop. This process is straightforward, but having the right tools and a helping hand makes it even simpler. You will primarily need a T50 Torx bit and a standard ratchet, which often come with your vehicle. Before you begin, make sure to clear out any gear from the truck's interior that might get in the way. Having a friend ready for the final lift is also crucial for safety and ease. Let's start with the two front freedom panels, which are quite easy to remove. First, open both front doors and fold down your sun visors. You will find 3 L-shaped latches on each panel. Simply turn these to unlock them. Next, unlatch the header panel latch positioned at the top of the windshield. Once all latches are released, you can carefully lift off each panel. These panels are relatively light, weighing about 20 pounds each, making them manageable to handle. Now, let's move on to detaching the main hardtop section. Using your T50 Torx bit and ratchet, remove the 2 bolts located near the B-pillars, above each front door. Next, on the driver's side rear, carefully disconnect the wiring harness by pulling back the red tab and pressing the release button. Then, remove the 6 T50 Torx bolts that secure the hardtop to the rear of the cab. Remember to store all 8 bolts in your Jeep's designated storage compartment to prevent losing them. With all bolts removed and the wiring harness disconnected, it's time for the final step, lifting the main hardtop. This is where your helper comes in handy, as the main section weighs approximately 60 to 70 pounds and can be awkward to maneuver alone. Carefully lift the hardtop straight up and off the vehicle. For storage, place it on a soft, flat surface or a specialized hardtop cart to prevent damage. For those who frequently remove their top, a garage hoist system can make this a one-person job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.